Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter. Okay, that is the wind, air and that storm and a cyclone. So students, today we are going to discuss about that how that air expands on heating. In the previous video already we have discussed about that when that speed of wind will increase, then the air pressure will decreases. Okay, so these are whole about that how that air pressure will decrease. In the last video already we have discussed. But students, today we are going to discuss about that if will give the heat by the heating of the air, then it expand. Okay, so how it is expanding, if you will give that heat, then we will understand by these activities. Okay, so let us see that activity students. Air expands on heating. You can take that students, but you have to take that one part of hot water, ice water and a normal water. Okay, so 3 jar you should take, one jar you should take that one normal water, another one like bucket like you should take that ice water, another one hot water you take. 3 bottle different water you have to take, one normal water, one very cold water, another one is what is that, hot water. So you will observe that what is that, how if suppose only hot water, if cold water inside, if you wanna take that what is that, you can take one test tube. One test tube, you know, like this with their shape, that cap is there like it, and that balloon you should keep in the mouth of the test tube. That inside only empty should take that air and keep it in our normal water. What you will feel? You will feel the balloons never be expand or never be blown. But when that you will keep in that cold water also, it never be changes its anything. Just it will be as usual, it will stay. But whenever you will keep it in the hot water, what you will feel? You will feel that balloon will be like a blowing. So you confirm that whenever we will heat, that means due to the heat of air, that it will be expanding. So that means whenever we will hot water inside that test tube will keep, that means test tube inside whatever the air is there, that will get the heat and it will try to expand. Whenever it want to expand, then that balloon will blow. Okay, let us discuss how thoroughly what is that experiment. Take a test tube and stretch the balloon over its open end and tie it with the help of a cello tape. So first of all, this like one test tube is there. Okay, test tube this like it is actually there, and this is test tube of, you should tie one balloon. One balloon is like this, you should open the mouth, you should keep it, fix it like this, and then after cello tape you should tie it. What will happen next time? Now take a beaker containing hot water or put the test tube into it. If you take that one, this is one beaker, this is called as one, in the science laboratory you will get that this is beaker, and this beaker inside some hot water you should take and put in. Okay, this is the part A, hot water, and we are taking the part A, hot water. Okay, next what you have to do, observe that the balloon after few minutes, why it is inflated at the bit? It will be inflated like it is blown, like how like air we are giving and blowing, that like same like it will be inflating that balloons. Okay, now take out the test tube from the boiling hot water beaker and cool it a bit and put into a beaker containing the crushed ice. Do you observe any change the balloon after the few minutes? Why is it deflated? It is inflated. Then after whenever we keep in, after some time, after whenever it will become cool, then after you put in that ice inside, you will observe that it will be whatever that inflated, it will become deflated. Deflated means it will be contracted. Okay, not expanding. It is not expanding. That balloon will become, what is that? Contracting. Only contraction will become. Next, pull it bit. Next, now again take out that test tube from the beaker and containing a crushed ice and put into the beaker containing water at room temperature, part C. The size of the balloon remaining the same when the test tube keep in the normal temperature. So it will, first of all we put that in hot water, it is inflated the balloon. Then after whenever we will keep in the cold water, then it will be deflated and there is no change in the normal water. So we understood that students, when will give the heat or that temperature or any way if you make that heat to the air, then it is expanding. Okay, so these are all about the students. We got that idea about that whenever we put that air, then it will get the heat. So we might have, we have seen that so you might have observed that it is hard to open a new jar bottle, then the jam is hot when it is put in the bottle. As is the result, the air inside the jar expands and it is replaced by the water vapors. When the jam cools, the air pressure reduces, water vapors condensed, reducing the pressure even more. It will be the air pressure outside the pushes to the lid tightly and get the makes it difficult to open. You have seen that on a what is that our that jar, that is jam. Jam, you have eaten that bread with your jam you are eating. That jam jar, whenever the caps is very strongly it will be. It is not. It is very difficult to open. Why? Because whenever the hot things sit there, when that hot things are there, it will be cap it. After that, whenever it will become cool, what will happen? It very tightly it will be stay. Because outside pressure it will stay. Because inside the pressure will reduce. Okay, because whenever hot things it will keep inside it, that air it will come out, it will expand and it will come out. And at that time, whenever you cap it will fix and you will cool it, then it will be tight, it will stay very tightly. Okay students, so now to prove that hot air is light and rises, whenever how we will understand that hot air is hotter, light means not more weight than compared to that air. If suppose normal air and a hot air, which one is light? Now hot air is light, that's why it will be rise and it will go to up. Okay, so we will discuss in this. So now friends, see, you will see that activities, you will get that idea. Already I told you, whenever in a hot water, if you wanna like balloons, you can understand that closed balloons, 3 balloons we have taken, that one balloon we have kept that one test tube we have kept in the hot water and to normal water in the ice water. So from that also we observe that it is raging, because it is whenever that hot water inside we are putting, or that normal just one bottle cap which you keep and in hot water inside it will put that test tube, what you will feel? That balloon will inflated, and that means it is raging. That means it is raging that water balloon. So we understood that when it is also due to light, it is coming to up. Okay. So these are about that how that whenever the air will get the heat, then it will be raging or it is becoming hotter, lighter than the air. Okay. So how we should find out that if you will get that suppose that how can we verify about that to the air, whenever we will get that heat, then it will be changed, it will be light and it will become light and it will be rage off. Okay, so now see students, so what will happen now? We will observe that what will happen. Now we will see these two things. Whenever you look at here friends, whenever the two cups, for that two activity purposes you can take that like one stand, like one stick you should take, and one side you should do you know the paper cups? You like that one paper cups you can keep. Two same size paper cups you should keep, and middle you should one thread you should like this you keep. Okay, now that candles with one paper cups candle you should just like this you will burning, like you should keep. Don't touch, just keep that under that. Then what will happen? The inside that cups, that air will become, what will happen? Heat. Okay, at that time what will happen? This one will go like this and this it will be like this. So this weight will become more than this. So we understood that it is going to rising up. So we conclude that whenever the air will get the heating, then it will become light, and whenever the air will get that heating, it will go rising up. Okay. So these are whole about that when that heat, air will get that heat, it is also rising and also becoming light than that normal air. Okay.